Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss assignment dated 3/9/20. First question. Number of dephosphorylation reactions occurring in glycolysis is 16, no, 8, no, 2. Third option is 2, yes. Fourth option is 4, no. The correct answer is 2. Two dephosphorylation reactions occur where while conversion of 1,3-bis PGA to 3-PGA, first dephosphorylation, and second dephosphorylation is a conversion of phosphoenol pyruvic acid to pyruvic acid. Okay, right. Hence, answer is E is 3. Next, second question. How many molecules of reduced coenzymes? How many molecules of reduced coenzymes are produced in mitochondria in aerobic respiration? Look, reduced coenzyme means NADH plus FADH2. These two are reduced coenzymes. These are reduced forms. NAD plus and FAD plus are oxidized forms. These are oxidized form. These are reduced form. Okay, right. How many molecules of reduced coenzymes are produced in mitochondria in aerobic respiration? 5 for NADH, 1 FADH2. Wrong. 12, 10 NADH and 2 FADH2. Wrong. Correct answer is third option number. Total 10 are produced, 8 NADH and 2 FADH2. How? See, in link reaction, 2 NADH2 are produced out of 8. In link reaction, 2 are produced. In Krebs cycle, 6 are produced. 6 plus 2, 8. Next to FADH2 are produced in Krebs cycle. Hence, the correct answer is 3. 8 NADH and 2 FADH2. Okay, right. Next, third question. How many acetyl-CoA molecules are produced? How many acetyl-CoA molecules are produced? If one sucrose equal to 2 glucose. From one glucose molecule, 2 acetyl-CoA are formed, we know. From one sucrose molecule, 4. Hence, answer is third option. Okay. Next question. Find the correct match from the following. Substrate and its RQ value. Glucose RQ value is 1. Correct. C6H12O6. Next, protein's RQ value is less than 1. It is also correct. Fat's RQ value is greater than 1. Wrong. It must be less than 1. Organic acids greater than 1. Correct. So correct match is A, B, D. C is wrong. A and B given only. A and B only. Wrong. ABC wrong. ABD correct. ABCD wrong. Hence the correct answer is 3. Next, fifth question. Product of third oxidation in matrix of mitochondria during aerobic respiration is, see, in mitochondria total 5 oxidation occurs. 5 oxidations occur. 1 link reaction, 4 oxidations in mitochondrial Krebs cycle. Okay, in this product of third oxidation means first oxidation substrate is pyruvic acid. Product is acetyl-CoA. Second oxidation isocitric acid substrate, product of oxalosuccinic acid. Third oxidation, here what is asked? Third oxidation occur in alpha ketoglutarate acid and product is succinyl-CoA. Hence answer is succinyl-CoA. Okay, hence key for this question is 2. Okay, oxalosuccinic acid is the product of first oxidation. Then fumaric acid is the product of fourth oxidation. Oxaloacetic acid is the product of fifth oxidation. Next, how many complexes are involved in electron transport in mitochondria? 4 complexes are involved in electron transport. Complex 1, complex 2, complex 3, complex 4. Complex 5 is not involved in electron transport, it is involved in proton translocation from intermembrane space to matrix. Hence, answer is third option. 4 complexes are involved, that is third option. Next, 7th question. How many ATP molecules are formed by oxidative phosphorylation from NADH produced during one turn of Krebs cycle? One turn of Krebs cycle. How many NADH are formed in Krebs cycle? In Krebs cycle, NADH formed in one turn is 3. One turn is 3. Hence, 3 NADH. 1 NADH yields 3 ATP. Hence, 3 into 3. 9 ATP is the answer. Hence, 4th option is correct answer. Key 4. Okay, ma. Next, ma. 8th question. The efficiency of aerobic respiration is approximately 50%, 45%, 90%, 30%. See, in glucose molecule 686 kilocalories energy is present. Total energy present is 686 kilocalories. In that 686 kilocalories, 273.6 kilocalories energy is released. So say 273.6 into 100 by 686. Approximately we get 40%. It is accurate, more accurate information. That is okay, ma'am. Hence here 45% is given. Then we will go for second option, key 2. Okay, ma'am. In this calculations are different. One more thing is respiration is an energy releasing process. We cannot predict exact values or exact energy released from a glucose molecule. It is not possible in a true sense. It is an approximate value. 40 to 40%, 45% of energy is released. Okay, next 9th question. Total energy obtained from 38 ATP is 38 molecules of ATP. Each molecule of ATP yields 7.2 kilocalories energy. Then 38 into 7.2, 273.6 kilocalories energy. Hence, key is third option. Next, during cellular respiration, number of ATP used during conversion of glucose into G3P. Okay, glucose into G3P is. See, how many ATP, how many phosphorylation reactions are taking place? From glucose to glucose 6-phosphate, 1 ATP is used. From fructose 6-phosphate to fructose 1,6-bisphosphate, 1 more ATP is used. Hence, per 1 glucose molecule, investment of ATP is 2. Hence, the key is second option. Okay, ma? Right. Thank you. That's it.